Hello and welcome back to eWatch. Today we're going to be having a look at how to stop the lag in OBS because it can be a problem no matter if you're on a small PC or a large PC. So we're going to fix that now. So we're going to have to go over to our settings menu on OBS. Now when that's opened up, you want to go to output. And where it says output mode, you want to change it. So for yours it might say simple, so you want to change that to advanced. Then click recording. Now for you, it'll probably say MKV when you've just started OBS. You want to change it from MKV to an MP4. Now for the encoder for you, it'd normally say use stream encoder. But if you're actually recording, you want to put it to X264. If you're streaming, I'd recommend putting it to these AMD Advanced Media Frameworks. But for me, when you're recording, it works much better for X264. When you change that, you need to come down here under rate control. Now, I'd put it as CBR because that's very smooth and it works best for me. Now it says bitrate. You need to remember, you need to think if you're on a large computer or a small computer. If you're on a small computer, I put it around 1000 to 2000. But if you're on a large computer, I'd put it from 500 to 5000 to 6,000 because it kind of depends on the size of your computer. Since I'm not on a generally big computer, I'm going to put 2500 bitrate. Also, if you're on a very powerful computer, like a big computer, you want to put that on ultra fast. But if you're on a slow computer, I'd keep it from faster to very fast. You don't want to go too high on that, or that can increase lag. Then what you want to do is you want to hit the apply button, then click OK. And then now when you record, it should be less laggy. Thank you for watching this eWatch video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it helped. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos.